I would like to call Junaid. Tuklok batch, I would like to call Rimsha.
Okay,
Captain.
Assalamu alaikum everyone,
Walaikum
and a
Assalam.
very good afternoon to all of you. Today, Rimsha is standing in front of you to talk about two systems, two ideas, and two different worlds. Yes, I'm talking about socialism versus capitalism. Which one is better? So, while I think socialism is much better and far better than the capitalism. So, my first argument, which I would like to put over here, that is about public ownership. Yes, you are listening right. Public ownership. There is public ownership in the socialist countries. How in big industries and services belong to everyone there through the government, and profits are used for everyone, for public, for the society, for the welfare of the public. Profits are used there. So that's why I prefer socialism. That's all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Junaid. Today we are doing debate here on an amazing topic. The topic is about capitalism versus socialism. Which one is better? In my perception, capitalism is better. First of all, I would like to say to her that she is talking about equality, that profit will be divided equally. So it's not like this. There is a businessman. He is doing work hard for his business. He is taking risk. So he should have earned more. It's not like this. Everyone is earning equal. There is an employee. He is not taking any type of risk. He is earning equal, and a businessman is earning equal. It's not like this. Second thing, if you are talking about earning, so we should see the unemployment rate. We can see the unemployment rate of Russia, which is more lenient towards capital towards socialism. Russia is more lenient towards socialism. We can see unemployment rate of Russia, that's more than 2%. But if I talk about unemployment rate of capitalist countries like Qatar, that's less than 0.2%, and about Thailand, that's less than 0.7%. Means we can see in the capitalist country, people have more jobs.
Okay, everyone.
I know. Okay, brother. Okay, I have done. You can start.
Yeah, yeah. Let them talk, brother. Should I? Okay, everyone is coming here and mentioning same point. Miss, now I need to answer them. Miss, from my opponent team, everyone is coming and they are mentioning same point. They are repeating same thing that the owner is making money, so why he should not have. So I would like to answer, and it is very necessary to answer them. That is about in this nation of Mahatma Gandhi. So many people are starving, so many people are sleeping hungry, so why should not I give them my property, my profit which I'm earning? Suppose I am billionaire, I am running a company and I'm earning a lot of money, profit I'm earning. So in this nation of Mahatma Gandhi, why should not I share my profit with everyone? This is the aim of socialist country.
Okay,
That's all.
you are talking about everyone should be equal. That's the country of Mahatma Gandhi. So tell me about those people who are doing work hard, who are making their business, who are taking risk, and the people who are taking beer, wine. They are in means they are visiting in the streets. They are not doing any kind of work hard. So for that we should give millions of dollars, and for whom means they are doing work hard. So for them, to them we should give. Definitely they will get more money who are doing more work. And second thing which I want to mention about crime rate, we can see the crime rate of Russia, which is more lenient towards socialism. That's about more than 6% in the Russia crime rate. But if I talk about crime rate of Saudi Arabia, which is more lenient towards capitalism, that's about means there is no crime rate. That's approx zero in the Saudi Arabia, and Saudi Arabia is more lenient towards capitalism. Most of the things are done there by the privatization, right? Most of the things are done there by privately. That's it.
Okay, I don't think that we should talk about here crime rates. We are
Okay, we
not
are
here
talking
to.
about those
Brother,
two
let me
things.
speak. It's my
Okay.
turn, please, please, please. Okay, again he is mentioning same point. They are not listening.
Oh, lenient. Okay. Okay, lenient. Okay, okay.
Okay, now, sir, please listen. See your interruption. Yeah. Okay, now I would like to ask a question to my all the opponents. Do they have answer? Let's see. Okay, so money should money rule on the people or people rule on the money? So the answer is I'm answering behalf of them. They can also answer. So people should people should rule on the money, not money on the, because money is non-living thing, and of course humans are living, so they should rule on the non-living thing. So what happens in capitalism country? Capitalism, what happens? Money rule there. Only 1 or 2% people are rich there. They rule on the government as well, not on the people, or but government also. Government obey them because of money. So this happens there.
Listen, like this, I would like to ask: the should food rule on the people, and people should rule on the food? It can be like this also, because we can see that they are saying that money, they are earning money. So they are earning money, they are doing work hard.
Brother,
What's the
it is not
problem?
like
There's a
that.
person.
All money will
Listen,
be snatched.
there's a
It is
person.
not like this.
Listen.